Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new poem, that is Someone. Now, this poem is a type of short story that a boy is in a deep sleep, means he is having a sound sleep. But suddenly he hears someone knocking at the door. Now let's see who is knocking at the door. Someone. Someone came knocking at my wee small door. Wee small door means very small door. Someone came knocking, I am sure. Now what the boy is telling? Someone came knocking and at his small door and he is very much sure about it. I listened, I opened. What did he do? When he listened someone knocking, he came and opened the door. I looked to left and right. He opened the door and he looked at left and right side. But not there was a stirring in the still dark night. But there was no one except the dark night. You can see in the image the boy is looking out and he can see only dark night and nothing else. Only the buzzy beetle tapping in the wall. Now what he's seeing? He's seeing a buzzy beetle. You can see in the image small insect, and what it is doing? Tapping in the wall means walking on the wall. Only from the forest the screech owl's call. Whose call? Screech owl's call means on one side there was a small beetle walking on the wall, and on other side you can see a owl. Late nights only owl are the birds who are awake. So he is telling that no one is there except a beetle is walking on the wall and a owl's voice. Only the cricket whistling while the dew drops fall. Now who's whistling? Cricket. Now it is a grasshopper, you can see. So he says that no one but the cricket is whistling when the dew drops fall. Now what is dew drops? Dew drops are the tiny droplets that you find on the grass or leaves in the early morning. So I know not who came knocking at all. Now what happened? So he was not able to know that who knocked his door at all. Now in this poem, what all creatures we find are buzzy beetle, cricket, owl, right? And what they are doing? Beetle is walking on the wall. The cricket is whistling and the owl is calling. Except them, no one is at the door in the dark night. So the boy goes back to the sleep. That's all, everyone. Hope you all understood, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Bye everyone. Take care.